guys, assalamu alaikum. So guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Bakar Tech. So guys, today my topic is how to use CapCut. CapCut is a versatile video editing app that allows you to create and edit your videos on your mobile devices. Here are basic guide on how to use CapCut. Getting starting. Download and install. Go to your App Store, Google Play Store for Android or the App Store for iOS. Search for CapCut and download install the app. Open the app. Launch the CapCut app on your device. Editing your video. Import your video. Tap on the plus icon to import the videos you want to edit from your device's gallery. Timeline editing. Drag and drop your video clips onto the timeline at the bottom of the screen. Arrange the clips in the order you prefer. Editing tools. Tap on a video clip in the timeline to select it. Use to editing tools provided. Trim cut the video your desired length. Split divide a video clip into multiple parts. Speed adjust the speed of your video. Filters and effects. Apply filters or effects to enhance your video. Text and stickers. Add text or stickers to your video. Transactions. To create smooth transactions between clips, tap on the transitions icons between two clips on the timeline, choosing our transitions effects. Tap the music icon to import music from your devices. Adjust the volume, trim the audio or add fade effects. Export your video. Once you are satisfied with your edits, tap the export of save button. Choosing the export settings, resolutions, quality, etc. Wait for the video to process and save to your video device. Tips. Practice. Spend the time exploring different features to understand how they work. Undo and redo. CapCut usually offers an undo button to preserve your recent edits. Save your projects. If you want to continue editing later, save your project within this app. CapCut has various features and effects that can enhance your video. Don't be afraid to experiment and get creative with your editing. Would you like know more about specific features or functions with CapCut? Download and install CapCut. CapCut is available for both iOS and Android devices. You can download to the App Store for iOS or Google Play Store for Android. Install the app in your device and launch it. Create a new project. Open CapCut and tap to plus icons to create a new project. Choosing a aspect. Create in your video. EG 6.9 for landscape, 9.16 for portrait, etc. Import media. Tap on the media button to import your video clips, images or audio from your device's gallery into your project timeline. Editing tools. Drag and drop media files onto the timeline to arrange them to order. You want to use editing tools such as trim, split, adjust speed, add filters, effects, transitions, text, stickers, and more. To edit a video clip, tap on it in timeline and options for trimming, splitting, adding effects, etc. will appear. Tips: experiment with the different features and tools to familiarize yourself with CapCut's capabilities. Watch tutorials and guides available online to earn advanced editing techniques. Save your products regularly to avoid losing your program. CapCut offers user-friendly interface with a variety of editing features, making it a versatile tool for creating and editing video on to go. So guys, today my topic is complete. Okay guys, Allah Hafiz.